Uh-huh.
This is a visit to King Hussein in the palace.
Mm-hmm.
This is Ashraf, my picture. This King Hussein is well known in the world. This is another episode in television. I was making Cherkessian prince called Sunkur, Sunkur in the history from Aleppo. This is another picture. I was riding horses as a policeman in the desert. Mm-hmm. This is historical movie, religion stories.
What is name?
Eid al-Fida, which is Muslims how do the fasting, and this is well-known series on television.
Mm-hmm.
I was making an English officer, Captain Jeffrey. This is a story well known in the Arab countries. It was shown many times. Also, this is another episode. I'm making an ambassador, French ambassador.
Ambassador.
In the series.
Yes. Good. This picture.
This picture.
This beautiful picture.
This is historical role. It was called in Baghdad. The story in Baghdad, an ancient story, was making a role. Here, well-known series called Mind Your Language in English, but in Arabic, Al-Ilmu Nurun. I was a teacher, and those people doesn't know reading. They came to the school. I'm the teacher here.
Комедия была.
Понял.
Комедия.
А как называется эта комедия?
Ну, Аль-Ильму Нур, этот как...
Al-Ilmu Nurun. It's called Al-Ilmu Nurun.
Ну, они всех, старшие человеки не знают, не читают, не...
I have 100 pictures like this. So we put it there in the album.
Perfect, perfect.
Many things here. And theater also was 65, about 70 plays on the theater. So a long time, 40 years working in the field of artist in Jordan and Arab countries. Also, I was sharing in Syria, in Baghdad, in Tunisia, Cairo, in Jordan. Also, I was a member of the committee who take care about the theater in Jordan. I was participating in that.
Very good, very good. Thank you very much.
Please.